About a year ago, I showed a guy a franchise here in Florida in water restoration. And he said to me, yeah, Melissa, I wouldn't do that kind of a business. And fast forward to today, after we just had all of these hurricanes and extreme weather, and I keep wondering, he's kicking himself because as I look around and I see all the water restoration, they are going to have business for years to come. They are going to be making so much money. So yes, some of these businesses are not the most exciting, but they are so needed. So as I look around Florida and other parts of the country and the Carolinas who have gone through some disasters with our weather recently, I've come up with two parts of my top picks for franchises after hurricanes or any kind of natural disaster. However, I want you to understand that these franchises are probably some of the most recession resistant, can work in any economy, in any area, and not just after hurricanes. So water restoration is number one. We've had 3 hurricanes who have brought water and flooding to people's houses, safely need to remove that water and get your home back to normal without mold. Second one is fencing. Most people in my neighborhood and around here have lost their fences, either need new or need their fences fixed. Screens, pool cages, that's just constant. I mean, we lost our pool cage, all the screens are blown out. These are things that are going to break, that are going to need to be repaired and to be redone. Dumpsters, whew, there's a huge need. That is a sexy business, but there is so much debris and such a need for this right now for people to be able to do cleanup. It could be furniture, it could be lawn waste, but there is a lot of debris around. Dumpsters are in demand. And last one, unfortunately, I know this because we lost half of ours during the storm, but roofing. Roofing is a business that is always going to have a need. That is not something you do by yourself. I know I won't be replacing my own roof, but if you have repair or need a new roof, that is integral to your home. So these are the companies that I see as huge need. These are real heroes after disaster strikes, but in all different times of the year as well.